besties, welcome to my YouTube channel. That may be Madame Sabi, the one and only. Guys, did you hear the assignment from the voices of the people on the street? Now all is now set for the commencement of rural roads in Ebonyi State. The governor has purchased, procured massive road equipment, to make sure that all the rural roads, like the ones that you all have been complaining about, is taken care of. Like the governor Matra has always been people's charter of needs, to make sure that he gives Ebonians nothing but the best. Okay, so right now everything is now set, like all is now set to move into the rural roads, to go and start building our rural roads. Like he promised that he's going to make sure that he built like 2 kilometer roads in every community in Ebonyi State. So let me just show you what the equipment looks like. So while you are looking at it, if you have not subscribed, use this opportunity and hit the subscribe button, because I'm going to give you a more detailed video of this. For now, let's take a look at the equipment and tell me what you think about it in the comment section. I'll be waiting for you guys right there.
The nation, we are the salt and we got the flavor. We are the salt of the nation. We are the salt and we got the flavor. Ebonyi, this is our time. We got the salt, we got the flavor. We are the agricultural center of trade.
We are blessed, we the leader, addressing people, child of need.
Oh, this our time to shine. Oh, let us rise. Oh, yes, we can.
Away, away, oh. Ebonyi State is on the rise. Away, away, oh. We are the sword and we bring the flame. We are glad we embrace the change. We are people on a mission. We won't stop until the end. And we will make Nigeria proud.
We gotta live, we gotta think, and let's go.
God of the soul, hard working people, that's our heritage.